Glue, 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 glue.
Hey guys, look what I found. I found this amazing old toy I had. Oh, I even made this tiny scenery in the background. So cute. Let's see the unboxing and more features about this. And let's see if you guys can find my childhood toy in market still available.
What do we have here? Power treads. All surface vehicles. That looks cool. Oh, you can build that. You can go on any surface. Oh, it has a speed up thing. Oh, I'm so excited to open it up. This has about 1,000 plus builds you can do. And you have 40 pieces in this. I'm so excited to open it. Let's do it. Look at how many pieces are these. But where's the manual? It's on the back. So let's first open up all of the pieces. Let me get a scissor. Finally, after opening the power treads, I've made my tread and power tread, and I've made a track. So let's start it. This can move like that.
No.
And now we're going to replace the batteries, which I already did because they were getting very, very old. So now we're going through and that's good. Tighten. Now we're going to put this on top. So you get that in there, right? And bring that up. And then there we go, snapped on tight. And here we go. This mad old toy, which I got when I was really, really young. Yeah, brings back a lot of memories. And look at this. This is the on button, off button. But what's something cool? Let's check out on the track. So, you might be wondering, what the heck is this? Well, watch this.
What?
Well, that one didn't go as supposed to. Let's try this. Oh. Well, like that. Ah! Well, you get how it goes. Oh, it went under. Wait, I want to try some. Put that there. Uh-oh. Let's see if it can go over this. It's going over it. No way. Let's see how many seconds does it take for it to get to that piece. Oops. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. This thing goes rogue. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, just 3 seconds.
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.